Hi friends, today I am going to share my Ekadasi Upavasam recipe. Take 1 inch fresh ginger, peel it. Before peeling, wash it, then chop nicely. Take 1 or 2 stems of curry leaves, cut them, and take 1 or 2 green chili as per size and chop it. Take 3 medium sized tomatoes. If it is raw or red color, anything, cut into 2 pieces only. Then take fresh green chili 5 to 6 and 1 inch ginger. Take a kadai and add 1 full tablespoon of ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of chana dal. Fry them. Add 1 or 2 red chilies. Add ginger, green chili and curry leaves already chopped. Once fried, then add 2 cups of water. This recipe for 2 members only. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 3/4 cup of suji. Gradually add suji. Don't put once entire suji. How much it will absorb? That much only add. This much oil left. Now mix well. In this consistency, it will be ready. Take another kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil, then place the tomatoes and sprinkle 2 pinch of salt and turn them. Then close and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, tomatoes turn to soft. Once softened, then stove off. And add green chili and ginger. Mix once. Then close and cool down. After cool down completely, then transfer to mixie jar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or required salt as per your taste. Then mix grind nicely. Grind nicely. Transfer to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon mustard, ink. Then add to tempering to chutney. This is very tasty. You can use any dosa or idli as per side dish. And serving 1 cup of upma, chutney, pomegranate, orange and 1 glass of buttermilk. This is my recipe today. Evening only I will eat. Daytime I want you to eat on Ekadasi day. Now tasting, it's very light food. Anyone can take as a breakfast also. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like and comment me. Thank you for watching.